quickly scan your important documents on your iPhone 17 Pro Max using two built-in apps, the easiest and the fastest way. So the exciting part is you can now scan documents using two different apps. One way is through Freeform app, so just open it up, then tap this note icon, then tap on the attachment icon, then select the scan documents option. And the another and the common way is from the Notes app. Simply open it, then create a new note, then tap on the attachment icon. And here you will find the scan documents option again. So just tap on it. Now here an important tip. Before you start scanning, turn auto shutter off if you want more control. Then you have to place the document you want to scan in view. When it looks good, just tap the shutter button to scan. You can also turn on the flash for better lighting or apply filter like color, grayscale, black and white or photos. Usually grayscale or black and white helps save storage, but I'm going to color here for better quality. After scanning, you will see keep scan or retake. If you're not happy with it, just retake the shot. You can view all your scanned page on the left side. From there, you can also crop, adjust filters, rotate, or delete any pages if needed. Once you are satisfied, tap done. Finally, to rename, save, or share, tap the arrow icon, rename your scanned documents file, and you can also save it to your files to keep it on your phone or share it directly through message, mail, or any other app. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.